Here's how to add dimensions to a 3D object in FreeCAD. Create your 3D object and switch to the Draft workbench. Click the Dimension tool in the Draft toolbar. Click on the face of your object where you want to add a dimension. Use the arrow buttons to change the orientation plane if needed. Click on the first corner point, then the second corner point to define the measurement span. Click a final time to place the dimension label. The dimension will appear showing the measured distance. To change the size of the dimension text globally, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Text and Dimension. Find the scale setting and change it to your preferred value, for example, 0.3 for smaller text. Click Apply and OK. New dimensions you place will use the updated text scale automatically. Repeat to add dimensions to any face or edge of your model. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.